Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're talking about the Massachusetts Secretary of State, and we're going to talk about how to do business search there. So we're going to talk about how we get, you can search for different businesses or entities, kind of what fields are available in Massachusetts, and then if you ever get this data or need it in an automated fashion, we're going to show you how to do it via our portal, which is kind of a way to test the data. And then we're going to show you how to do it in Postman, which to kind of help you form the requests that you're making, and you can import them into the language of your choice. And then if you're a JavaScript user, which, come on, you should be, JavaScript is great. We're going to go show you our SDK. So if you're a Node.js user, you can use this SDK to make this a piece of cake to get this data. All right, here we are. We're looking at Massachusetts, like I said, fields available, no state of formation. I think this may be the only one. That's probably not true. But a state of formation is like the jurisdiction, so you can see where the state is registered. For some reason, Massachusetts doesn't have it. But they have officer information, which is great. They have organization documents, which is also great. So the rest is pretty standard. Here's Massachusetts. Let's zoom in so you can actually see stuff. There we go. It's a pretty good search. Not fancy looking, right? But we have the entity name. Individual name is always nice. Identification or filing number, that's fine too, right? The big one is individual name, the fact that they have that. Let's go over here and search for sword. No, laser. Pew, 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 laser. All right, and we search over here. Now, cool, has a bunch of stuff here, and look how it it returned. Okay, whatever. We can't see status here. We can't see like a status field, so we don't know which is active or not, but the Laser Advantage LLC, that looks like a great one. Let's click on it. What are the chances it's active? Come on. Let's see here. Okay, data organization in Massachusetts, but it doesn't say. I'm just looking to see if we missed it and if it's somewhere. We got the manager. Here we go. We got all this other stuff. And here are the filings. You can view them. I don't see a state of jurisdiction, like it says. What about status? Am I dumb? Where is it? Was it listed on our list? The status? Yeah, it has it. Why can't I see it? Okay, look hard. Maybe because it has a date of cancellation. That means it's out there. I'm curious what we're going to say to that. So it expired because this date of cancellation exists. But let's see what we see. So if we come over here, this is our portal in Cobalt Intelligence. We're going to search for that. We're going to search for it in Massachusetts. And we're going to hit the submit button. If I remember correctly, Massachusetts is pretty fast. It's going to be, I don't know, less than 20 seconds. And this is getting that data real time. You'll see it formed in a little JSON response, so it makes it really easy for you to integrate with your software. Status inactive. Okay, so look, so we are handling that. Man, we are good. Did I see that? I want to just double check the inactive's not on here. No, we're making an assumption. If we find this, we say inactive. Cool. All right, that is the portal. Let's go over here to Postman. So Postman, this is kind of what your request is going to look like. You're going to want to replace this with your business name, replace this with your state. You want to encode this right here, the business name. I'm going to hit send right now. Oh, gotta sneeze. Ooh, that's the mute button. Saved you. Okay, so you're going to want to encode this just in case there's an ampersand, because ampersand will wreck this search query. Otherwise, this is going to be what you want. In your headers, you're going to want this X API key, and the value also your API key, X dash API dash key. And then it's going to return that JSON just like we saw. Look at that with the documents. Let's go over here. Oh, officers too. Yeah, thank you. There we go. Great. Now let's go to the SDK and we can kind of show you how that works over here. There we go. I have this little function built to use it, and I'll show you how the actual SDK works. So you're going to come over here, you're going to import this SOS API. You're going to pass in your API key, and then you're going to go SOS API.get business details, and you're going to pass in the parameters you want, such as business name, state. You have to have those, and these are the friendly ones. Like if you don't want the live data, for example, or like you want it cached instead because you want it fast, or if you want a screenshot. Like I passed in a screenshot parameter right here. So let's look at that. Ooh, a screenshot. That looks nice. Let's click it. Okay, I had to click it twice. Let's go. And there it is. Look at that. So you can put this in your file and you can say, hey, guess what? I have screenshots. Do you? That's what you say to your competitors, because they don't have Cobalt Intelligence, and so they can't get the cool data like you can. So that is it. We got screenshots there. That is the end of Massachusetts. And I'm Jordan Hansen. Like, subscribe to the video because we're friends. And, if this is content is helpful for you at all, that would be helpful for me. So like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends. Tell everyone I'm sure all your friends are just really excited to learn more about Massachusetts and the Secretary of State there. So, you know what to do. Do the right thing.